18. When one is present with the Tao, actions flow into existence naturally, without intention, effort, strategy, or thought. When the Tao is forgotten, rules become necessary to keep things in line. Structure helps everyone remember what to do. But creating order is for the 10,000 things, not the Tao. When rules are needed for justice and honesty, fairness and virtue, it is certain the Tao is not being expressed, engendering pretense, privilege, and hypocrisy. When the body's wisdom erodes, people begin to think for themselves, becoming clever, planning, seeking advantage. When there is disruption in the family, people seek refuge in filial piety. Experts show up whenever there's chaos, wanting to manage things. Pride and patriotism become important tools rulers use who cannot express the Tao from their breasts. When oneness and harmony evaporate, the chants of honor, devotion to duty, and loyalty can be heard. Ministers of division and efficiency come forth.